In this video, you'll learn how to fix issues with the Binance network. This guide provides a step-by-step approach to ensure your connection to Binance is stable and reliable. Begin by checking your internet connection. Ensure that your connection is stable and functioning properly. You can test this by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. This helps identify if the issue lies with your internet service. After switching, close the Binance app completely and then reopen it. If you are using a VPN, it is recommended to disable it temporarily as it may interfere with your connection to the Binance servers. Next, you will clear the cache of the Binance app or update it if necessary. Navigate to your device's settings and find the section for applications. Locate the Binance app from the list and select it. Here, you will see an option labeled Storage or Storage and Cache. Click on this option and you should see a button that says Clear Cache. Tap this button to remove the cached data. If the app is outdated, visit your device's app store to check for updates. Download and install any available updates. After updating, it is advisable to restart your phone to ensure all changes take effect. If the problem persists after these steps, consider logging in via a desktop browser. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Binance website. Once logged in, check the Binance system status page to see if there are any ongoing issues with the network that could be affecting your experience. This page provides real-time updates regarding server status and any maintenance notifications. Should you still encounter difficulties after checking the system status, it may be necessary to contact Binance support. Take a screenshot of the issue you are experiencing, as this can help the support team understand your problem more clearly. Then navigate to the support section on the Binance website and follow the provided instructions to submit your query. Providing clear details and evidence will assist in resolving your issue more efficiently. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.